welcome to the Sovana at Stuart. I'm Stephanie, the leasing consultant here, and I'm so excited to show you this beautiful Glenlee. It's our smallest one bedroom, one bath, about 800 square feet. And we were so excited to show you this beautiful view today on such a beautiful day. You can see our amenities over here. We have the pool area, we have bocce ball, we have pickleball, we have the dog park. The clubhouse is over here to your left. We have a beautiful fountain further over to your left here. Such a beautiful day and such a beautiful property here. So happy you could come and take a peek with us. So come on in. So here is our living room. You can see we have a light kit, we have the ceiling fan. The wall here is about 12 feet long. The ceilings are about 9 feet tall. And you'll notice we have the beautiful crown molding throughout. The pendant lighting is here in the kitchen. We have track lighting in the kitchen, and the living room flows seamlessly right into the kitchen area here. Space for your counter height bar stools. Beautiful stainless steel appliances, beautiful countertop here, the granite countertop. Even have a little microwave over here stashed in its own little cubby. Drawers through here. We have the mocha wood cabinets with the soft close feature. And then moving over here, you can see the pantry and the what we would call maybe a little broom closet or coat closet if you're from up north. And then moving right along, here is our bathroom. And the first thing I'd like to show you is the linen closet. This is actually called the linen tower, perfect for storage. The same matching granite countertop, drawers, plenty of space, the comfort high toilet, and also we have the step-in shower here, the glass doors. And then moving right along, behind door number 2, we have your laundry. This is the large size washing machine and dryer that's stacked. And right beside is our bedroom. So you come into the bedroom. You can see again this gorgeous view out here. Most folks would put their bed right here on this wall. Here is your walk-in closet. And we're all equipped with a internet modem right here called the Instant On Internet program. And right here you can see this beautiful view again. And I'd like to thank you for joining me today on this tour of our one bedroom, one bath Glenlee, 800 square feet. And for only a few days, we have a special price of $19.95. It won't last long, so be sure you call me today, 772-208-7115. And I look forward to speaking soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.